definite integration 7th chapter. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2b part 2. Part 1 completed, introduction of the definite integration completed. Some important formulas also be completed by using a definite integration. Today part discuss exercise. First exercise, that is exercise 7a. Exercise 7a, Roman number 1. What is that question? Evaluate the following integrals as limit of sum. Evaluate the following integrals as limit of a sum. What is the first question? Integral 0 to 5 x plus 1 dx. Integral 0 to 5 x plus 1 dx. Here in this problem you can do that compulsory using integration formulas. What is that? Integral 0 to pi x plus 1 is there. First we can separated integration. Integral 0 to 5 x into dx plus integral 0 to 5 1 dx. Correct or not, students? Here first term is x, separate integration x. After that 1 is the second term, you can write separate limit. After that you can write integration. What is the integration of x? Already learn integration chapter standard limits. What is the integration of x? X integration is x square by 2. X square by 2. What is the limits? 0 to 5 limits. What is the integration of 1? 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? 1 integration is x, limits is 0 to 5. After that already explained definite integration definition. First you can write upper limit. After that you can write lower limit. You can subtract it both. First you can write upper limit. What is the upper limit here? 5. Here function in terms of x, limits also be in terms of x. That's why here upper limit 5 you can write 5 square by 2 minus lower limit. Lower limit what here? 0 square by 2 plus here upper limit 5, x is 5 minus lower limit is 0. 5 minus 0. After that 5 square. 5 square value 25 by 2. 5 square value 25 by 2 minus 0 by 2. 0 by 2 plus 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 value is 5. After that 25 by 2 minus 0 by 2. 0 by 2. 0 by something value 0. 25 to minus 0 value also be 25 to plus 5. You can take LCM. 2 is LCM. After that 25 plus 2 5 is a 10. 25 plus 10 how much? 35 by 2. This is the integration of 0 to 5 x plus 1 whole dx value is 35 by 2. 35 by 2 is a constant. That's why you can write plus c. Here definite integration, integral constant is not there. This is the first problem. Similarly you can do that second problem homework. First you can write integration of x square. What is the integration of x square? X cube by 3 apply limit. First you can apply upper limit. After that you can apply lower limit. You can do that similar way. Next problem, Roman number 2. What is that problem? Roman number 1 only 2 problem is there. 2 problems completed. Roman number 2 just 2 problem is there. In this 2 problem completed, exercise 7a exercise total completed. Definite integral exercise 7a also be completed. What is the Roman number 2? Evaluate the following integrals as limit of a sum. What is the first question? Roman number 2. Integral 0 to 4 x plus e power 2x whole dx. See students, this problem also be do that previous problem model. First you can write separate limit. What is the separate limit here? Integral 0 to 4 x dx, one limit. After the second function is integral 0 to 4 e power 2x dx. E power 2x dx. Here what is the integration of x? What is the integration of x? X square by 2 plus c. Here integration having integral constant. Definite integration cannot be in the form here integral constant. Why? Because here definite integration function having interval, function having 2 points, extreme values. That's why here plus is not there. That's why next integral e power 2x. What is the integral e power 2x? Integration of x is x square by 2. Integral e power x, integral e power x, integral e power 2x nothing but e power 2x by 2 plus c. These two formulas are you can use in this problem. Integration of x square by 2 one formula, integration of e power 2x by 2 nothing but x square by 2 you can write limit 0 to 4 plus e power 2x by 2 integration of e power 2x nothing but e power 2x by 2 0 to 4. After that you can apply limit. Here 1 by 2 is common, x square 0 to 4 limit 1 by 2 is common. Here also be 1 by 2 is common, e power 2x limits is 0 to 4. 1 by 2 is common, x square 0 to 4. Here also be 1 by 2 is common, e power 2x limits is 0 to 4. First we can write upper limit here. Upper limit what's are here? Upper limit is 4 square minus 0 square. 4 square upper limit minus lower limit 0 square plus 1 by 2 into e power 2x nothing but 2 into upper limit x nothing but what here 4 minus e power 2 into 0. Here e power 2 into x, what is upper limit here 4, 2 into 4 minus e power 2 into 0. After that 1 by 2 16 minus 0 square value 0 plus 1 by 2 e power 2 4s are 8 minus e power 2 zeros are 0. Something by 0 always 1. That's why you can write 1 by 2 into 16 plus 1 by 2 into e power 8. Here 1 by 2 16 minus 0 value is 16 plus 1 by 2 e power 8 minus e power 0 value is 1. You can write 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 plus e power 8 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into e power 8 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 2. After that you can write take LCM. Here LCM is 2. You get what? 2 8s are 16 plus e power 8 minus 1. 16 minus 1 15 plus e power 8 by 2. You can write this one is 1 by 2 into 15 plus e power 8. This is the integration of 0 to 4, integral 0 to 4 x plus a power 2x all dx. Value is 1 by 2 into 15 plus e power 8. Next second problem, this one is the assignment or homework problem, similar model problem. First read the problem. Integral 0 to 1 x minus x square all dx. This problem also be you can separated integration. Integral 0 to 1 x dx minus integral 0 to 1 x square dx. Correct or not students? Here first you can write separate limit. After that what is the integration of x? What is the integration of x? Integration of x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Integration of x square dx is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. These two formulas are you can use in this problem. See students, integration standard formulas you can learn and read, you get definite integration is very easy. Okay students, that's why you can read and write that integration standard formulas. Here this is the integration formula, these two apply here. Integral x, what is the integration of x? X square by 2, you can write limit 0 to 1 minus x square integration x cube by 3 0 to 1. After that you can simplify by using a previous problem. First you can write upper limit 1, after that you can write lower limit. Here also be in this function also be first you can write upper limit, after that lower limit. This is the exercise 7a completed in definite integration. In this exercise 2 bits is there, first bit having 2 problems, second bit also be having 2 problems. That 2 problems assignment also be completed. This problem you can do that previous problem model.